For the last 500 days, I've been doing Amazon review videos. Here's my honest video of how much money I actually made and how you can do this as a side hustle for yourself with tips and tricks for getting started and to maximize profits. So let's get started. First off, what even is Amazon video reviews? It's officially known as Amazon Onsite Commissions and is a part of Amazon's influencer program. It's completely different than Amazon FBA since you never actually hold any inventory nor do you sell any products. The Onsite Commission program allows people to film simple videos and upload it to the product page for items being sold on Amazon. The review videos usually appear in the pictures or after the description. If someone watches your video, you make a small commission. And the commission can range anywhere from $1 up to tens of dollars per transaction. If you have a handful of videos, these commissions can really add up fast, usually around $30 to hundreds of dollars per day. It sounds super simple, right? I mean, I even film my video reviews on my old iPhone right here. And the best part is you don't even have to buy the products directly from Amazon. It just has to be sold on Amazon, which is pretty much everything these days. So say for example, you have a drill that you bought from Home Depot. You could film a simple 1 to 2 minute long video review talking about what you like, what you don't like about the product, and then upload that video to Amazon and start earning some commissions. You can also earn commissions with everything in a customer's cart. So say for example, you have a customer that watches your video review on the drill, but then also buys say a saw, wood supplies, paintbrushes in their cart. You earn a commission off of all of that. Now we know how the review videos work and how simple it is, but can you actually make some good side hustle money? And the answer is yes. We've tested hundreds of side hustles over the years, and to be honest, a lot of them either take way too much time or the money you do make isn't worth your time. In the first week on Amazon review videos, I earned $158. But by the first full month, I received $1,772, which is way more than any other side hustle that I've tried in the past. And the best part is that honestly, this is probably the easiest side hustle I have also ever tried. For the year, I received a grand total of $19,464, which comes out to be an average monthly payment of over $1,600 per month. And this is also with a very limited time commitment making the videos. Plus, I already had all the products within my house, so I didn't have to go out and buy other products or didn't have to buy expensive camera equipment. That also means that the nearly $20,000 was basically 100% pure profit. Another item worth knowing is that I didn't upload any videos for 4.5 months. How many other side hustles out there do you still make money when you stop working? I believe everyone and their grandma should be signing up for the Amazon video reviews. We have tried several hundred side hustles, and this is by far the easiest one we have ever started up and also the most lucrative one as well. I can honestly not say enough good things about this side hustle, and this feels like it's only the beginning of it too, so I would highly recommend applying now before it's too late. The biggest caveat before applying is as of today, you need to be located in the US. And secondly, you need to have a social media following. But we're not talking about hundreds or tens of thousands of followers. You can actually get accepted with as little as a few hundred followers. And I personally have a friend that was accepted with 150 followers. If you don't have any social media account, no worries. I recommend starting a TikTok account since it's the easiest to gain followers in the fastest and shortest amount of time. You could post a couple of videos every week or two to get a couple hundred followers. The videos could be about anything, such as cooking or your dog, for example. If you want to make sure you post every day or two though. Some of the biggest tips I have for someone who's looking to apply is number 1, you have to upload 3 sample videos to get approved. Make sure you read through all the guidelines not to violate any of the terms. The terms are pretty straightforward, like no swearing, talking about pricing, etc. And I will leave a link down below to the terms so you can check them out for yourself. Number 2, post high quality video reviews with you actually using the product and not just holding it in your hands. Number 3, correctly tag your product you're reviewing and make sure to only tag one item. And number 4 is to constantly keep posting on your social media accounts with the account that you use to apply to the program. With nearly a year and a half of producing video reviews and maximizing the profits, here are some great tips that honestly I wish someone would have just told me when I was originally getting started. Number 1, if you have anything newer than an iPhone 6 to review the products, then there's no need to go out and buy some expensive camera. Number 2, make the videos about 1 minute to 3 minutes long. No one wants to watch a video review of a 10-minute review from a complete stranger. Number 3, You don't have to go out and buy your products. First, review products in your house. After review all the products in your house, ask your friends and family members to review their products. And trust me, there's enough items in and around people's house to review for free. Number four, I would recommend to first film videos of your products and then do a quick voiceover. It comes out a lot more professional to the customers watching your videos, and plus it makes it easier to edit when you're making mistakes while speaking. Number five is to use catchy thumbnails to attract people to click on your video reviews. I personally use Canva templates to make my thumbnails pretty quickly. Number five, use catchy thumbnails to attract more people to click on your reviews. I personally use Canva as a template to make my thumbnails quickly. Number six, upload vertical and horizontal video reviews. The Amazon app pushes more vertical videos, so you'll receive more eyeballs on your videos, which means more commissions. Number seven, there are apps that will automatically convert your horizontal videos to vertical, so that way you only have to film once and you will save time. Number eight, review products that are actually selling on Amazon. Just because one product has a bunch of reviews doesn't mean customers are still buying that product today. I would recommend getting a Chrome extension to look for items selling more than $100,000 per month. Number nine, focus on more expensive products in the higher commission segment. This will give you the biggest return on your time with producing the most amount of commission dollar-wise. Lastly, number 10, look for products that have a video review of only one or two. That way your video will appear to the top. If you're looking for even more tips on how to get accepted or how to maximize your profits, feel free to check out the pinned comment down below to see a course that I created that walks you through exactly how to get started for yourself. We also have an incredible deal going on right now, and the price is only going to go up as we keep adding more helpful videos in the near future. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or a family member that could find it helpful to gain an extra $1,000 or $2,000 each and every month. If you're interested in trying this side hustle for yourself, make sure to check out the pinned comment down below for the course that walks you through on how to get started. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.